Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey friends, today I'm going to show you a quick little snippet out of our video on painting paneling, okay? And what this little snippet is about is actually filling nail holes and or any type of holes that would be like in the cracks of the paneling. Because when you paint it, you don't want that, especially with a light color, you don't want it to be a big old black hole there, because that's definitely going to stick out like a sore thumb. So check out this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later. Okay folks, hey, we're back here on day 2 of the project of painting the paneling. I've actually already have 2 coats of Kills 2 on everything, and now what we're going to do is we're going around with some pink spackling. Let me show you this stuff right here. I think it's made by Dietex, I believe. Dry Dex, okay? DAP is the, I guess the company name, Dry Dex. It's a spackling that goes on pink, and when it dries thoroughly and can be painted over, it turns white, okay? But I'm going to show you a technique here. I know I've showed this before in some other videos, but this is working really good for this. Notice how a lot of our cracks are right in our little seams here, okay? I guess when people put nails and put pictures and stuff up over the years, they were trying to hit a stud or whatever, but they done it, you know, in between the boards, okay? Now, that's let me show you, let's do an example here of how you would feel like a normal wall. Okay, so if it's a normal wall and you'd had just a couple holes here, you would just take your spackling, kind of go over the holes a little bit, just like that, fill it in, okay? You don't have to wait for it to dry and go back and sand. You get yourself a damp sponge, okay? Take a damp sponge and just kind of lightly go over it. Bam, they're filled. And when that dries, that's ready to paint over, okay? Now let's go right over here where we have it for you people that are going to be doing paneling. You can do the same thing. Just squeeze it in. Squeeze your spackling in there, and then try to squeeze out as much of it as you can, like so. And then just take your sponge, go up and down with the grain of the line in the board. And look at there. They're filled up and you're ready to go, okay? That's all you really have to do. It just takes a little time. We're going to go ahead and go all around the room here. We're going to get all this knocked out and get around our doors caulked up, and we'll be ready to put some paint on.